What's up guys, it's Dylan. Welcome back to Flatirons Tuning. This week we're going for another product showcase. We wanted to talk about the OEM Subaru Shortblocks that we sell. We get these Shortblocks direct from Subaru and you can use them to replace the bottom end on a number of different cars, from older NA cars to new turbo cars. There's even some reman block options direct from Subaru. So make sure to reach out to us with your VIN and we can confirm what's good for your application. Let's take a look at what's included when you order one. They come with crank, rods, pistons installed, obviously bearings are included too, and all of the wrist pin access holes are sealed up. The AOS plate, the rear main seal are also installed. There's a couple of coolant bungs as well as the oil cooler that you'll need to put in on the bottom of the block, as well as like a master gasket kit and an oil pump to complete everything. These blocks come ready to drop in with your new or rebuilt heads. All you need is a couple of other accessories like I mentioned and you'll be good to go. Thanks for tuning in guys. As always, stay tuned with Flatirons Tuning and check out all of our socials. The newsletter is a great spot to go for discount codes and news in the community. And all of our socials like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook are the best spots to stay up to date for new stuff. Have a good one guys.